In my earlier videos, I have told you about quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation and their roots. But how do we find the roots of quadratic equation, or how do we solve quadratic equation? There are different methods, and in this video we will learn about factorization method. Let me write the general form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this factorization method, what do? We actually split the middle term. By middle term, I mean the coefficient of x into two numbers p and q such that sum of these two numbers is b, coefficient of x, and the product of these two numbers is ac, a multiplied by c. Now I'll explain this method with the help of this example. 8x square minus 22x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation, or we can say we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. We will use factorization method. Now comparing this equation with the general form of quadratic, we get a is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 22, and c is equal to minus 21. Now we want two numbers p and q such that their sum should be b, which in this case is negative 22, and the product of p and q should be 8 multiplied by minus 21, which is minus 168. Now what is our next step? We will simply find the factors of 168. Now 168 can be written as 2 multiplied by 84, or it is the factor of 3 also. Multiple of 3, it is 3 multiplied by 56, or 4 multiplied by 42, 6 multiplied by 28, or 8 multiplied by 21, or say 12 multiplied by 14. These all are factors of 168. Out of these pairs, we will select the pair which satisfies this equation also, that sum is minus 22. This combination 6 and 28. Now minus 28, because actually product is not 168, it is minus 168. So minus 28 and 6. Sum will be minus 22 and the product will be minus 168. So we will write minus 22 as minus 28x plus 6x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now making pairs, out of 8x square and 28x we can take out 4x as common. 2x minus 7 is left. Similarly, out of this pair we can take out 3 as common. Again 2x minus 7 is left. Equate this to 0. Taking 2x minus 7 as common factor, other factor is 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what we have done, we have represented this quadratic equation as product of two linear factors, and product of two linear factors is 0. So either 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. On solving this we get 2x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 by 2. Or this linear factor is 0. 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So these two values of x, 7 by 2 and minus 3 by 4, are roots of this given quadratic equation, or we can say are the solutions of this quadratic equation.